Within less than 3 weeks in Mumbai during the monsoon season, yet another building has collapsed. You can see right behind me, the rescue and relief work is on. 4 to 5 people are still stuck behind me inside the dilapidated and the debris of this Indira Niwas building. The collapse is believed to have happened around 4:30 a.m. earlier this morning. Officials of the NDRF, the Civil Defence, Mumbai Fire Brigade and the local police station are also here on the spot. It is being said, or rather believed, that 4 to 5 more people are still stuck under the debris and rescue efforts are underway to remove them alive. Also, we can see that how some home items, including utensils and other items, are still lying scattered on the floor. This is believed to have happened around 4:30 a.m. The moment the building started facing vibrations and the vibrations were felt by the residents, they all rushed out. Nearly 55 people have been rescued, over a dozen children as well. Still 4 to 5 people still believed to have been stuck under this debris. This is that we are bringing you the visuals of the rescue ops from the Sector 19 area of Belapur in the Navi Mumbai area, and these are the remnants of the Indira Niwas building. You can see how many NDRF workers are on standby, including the Mumbai Fire Brigade, portable beds that are being brought out in case if bodies are recovered in a timely manner, or whenever rather they are recovered. You can see the inspector and the commander also who is present out here. Most of these people who are also assisting the JCB, one person sitting inside the JCB operator's chamber and instructing him where to look and where to dig. But however, you can see the kind of numerous challenges that they are having to face at this point in time. However, the biggest challenge yet remains to rescue these people alive. They're saying that about 4 to 5 people still stuck under this debris, and you can see how challenging and difficult a task it is while they are still trying to break the dangling structure so that removing the persons is easier, and it also makes it relatively simpler to scourge through the debris and look for any kind of bodies. We don't know whether these people who are stuck under are alive or have died yet, but however, you can see behind me an ambulance also has been kept on standby. There are also ward boys who are out here and other medical workers who are there to assist. Also, there is a stretcher trolley that has been kept in case if somebody is brought out immediately. We don't know the number of hours it will still take, but this incident happened around 4:30 a.m. On today, Saturday that is. But the residents of this area are saying that this was not the only weak building. There are several structures around. If I can show you how compact and packed, tiny the lane is, it also sort of makes it difficult for the other bigger vehicles like the policeman and the Mumbai Fire Brigade to go in. But however, the JCB has made its way because of the kind of emergency and the importance of this case. With cameraman Aniket, Dev Kotak for India Today, Navi Mumbai.